I'm reasonably confident we can get started on this, and then revenues will come in.
On election reforms raised by Sri Ajay Makanji on the 11th December 2025, I now call upon Dr. M. Thambidurai to resume his speech. Time remaining 7 minutes.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I continue to speak on the election reform, which I yesterday, day before yesterday, spoke on this House. Especially, the election of ADMK party is a faith on the election commission. What are the actions they are taking? We are in the faith, sir. First of all, the election ADMK believes clean and accurate electoral rolls strengthen democracy. Transparency empowers voters. And also, the election campaign is one of the important the election process. In that, political parties must be given the proper chance to campaign that area. Especially in Tamil Nadu, sir, I am to raise certain points here. Sir, election commission is very vital part of the healthy democratic system. It is the part of the election system, sir. After Karur incident, Supreme Court directed Tamil Nadu government to formulate the SOP, Standard Operative Procedure, to conduct the public meeting by the political parties.
Please, either you take your seat.
In this connection, High Court Madras issue the direction to
go to the lobby.
Formulate SOP. Government also conducted a all-party meeting to hear the opinion at the parties. So far, no, sir. Formulated by Tamil Nadu government is not, SOP is not to be taken. So political parties facing hardship in Tamil Nadu to conduct public meetings to express our views to the public for the campaign, sir. And also, sir, you are now my leader, Edappadi Palaniswamy, wanted to address the gathering in Hero district. He could sir, election campaign is one of the election campaign is one of the department.
Please stick to electoral reforms. So, don't raise the issues of the state. Please come to the electoral reform.
Sir, election commission process, how the elections are taking place, that is what I am raising. In Tamil Nadu, for electoral reforms, when they are taking place, for especially to campaign is one of the important election process. What we are facing, where my leader could not get the proper chance and a proper place, and I am telling this is a fact. But sir, the Tamil Nadu government, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister yesterday, he had a big rally in Tirunnamalai. Whether he followed the condition SOP, whichever whether he followed, but why are putting the condition for us? And also this, sir, this is very, very impartial, and this is not baseless, sir. And also regarding the accurate electoral roll, sir. When I spoke this regarding the system, the Elango farmer, sir, is not here. The member of the DMK said, I am this election home ministry, law minister is supporting ADMK party. Sir, how can they support? This is the allegation they made. This is on the record. Therefore, I am once again saying, sir, I also serve as a law minister and watch by government. The election commission under me. Once again, say, you never interfere in that. But now, sir, when the election is a revision, the poll is taking aside is different issue. But every year, electoral rolls are reform. That is going on, taking place. In that side today, sir, one ex-MP of this Rajya Sabha, DMK member, said, made the paper has come, 85 lakh voters going to be removed in Tamil Nadu. This accusation, who is responsible for that? Tamil Nadu government is conducting all these things. How can you say, give the misrepresentation, then election 85 voters are going to remove?
This is the job of the Election
Sir, my time
Commission.
is my time.
Yeah, your time. You please stick on to, don't make false allegations.
No, not false allegation. I am giving the, if you want the authentication, I give the authentication. I will authenticate. I will authenticate that. What
Please,
said.
please, you all by
I will authenticate.
You please by
I will authenticate.
When you are interviewing,
What-
I will speak. That like this, there cannot
This
be
is the-
arguments and counter arguments. Please, you all take your seat.
No,
Then you
Sir.
please take your seat. Please, you take.
sir.
Trichy Shivaji, you please take your seat. Madam, you please take your seat, please.
Sir, I told you, election campaign is one of the electoral reforms. First, during the, sir, you know very well, first, during the Erode by-election, opposition party complained that voters are allegedly held in a temporary sheds, denied the freedom movement, and prevented from meeting opposition candidates. Such action is to amount to the influence state who have done. Sir, the former minister,
Sakti Singh ji,
former
this is
minister
government.
at ADMK.
Honorable Chairman has already requested you to confine yourself within the boundaries of discussion.
Sir, I want to come to the point, sir.
Please.
See, Election Commission is allowing campaigning for the political parties. But what the
Already Honorable Chairman has told.
party is doing,
Already Honorable Chairman has
they
told.
are all denying the chance for us. For example, I told you what happened in Erode by-election also.
Please, it's
Sir, I'm telling. See, instead of
We are discussing
since I am as a candidate,
election
I
reforms.
have every right to go and campaign and meet the voters. But the DMK government is not doing allowing that.
Please,
They
state
are
government
taking
is
all
not
the voters
discussing.
and kept
Please.
in a camp.
You
And they are not
speak
allowing.
in-
This is the accusation.
For or
Already we
against
raised the issue to election
election
commission.
reforms, please.
Therefore, I am requesting the electoral reforms when they are discussing that, this kind of aspects is taken. Election, that is voters, revision, everything is a process, regular process. I am not coming SIR. Every year, the election commission is conducting this is the part of thing. But the ruling party accusing 85 lakhs voters are going away means, till now how they can say, now why they are giving a misnomer to the public to see that they are going to lose the government election, coming election. For that, they are telling these 85 lakhs what are going away means, then this is already the planned, excusing their defeat they accepted.
Please confine
ADMK is going to win.
yourself to the subject.
That is the thing what is going to happen. But the
Only that will go on
DMK
record.
unnecessarily giving wrong information to the public that the election, we are accusing election commission. This election, accusing election is in the, we cannot do that in the things. That is
already
why I am
told you.
telling.
I have told
That is why yesterday, last time when I spoke, he said, at that time what the member said, ADMK party is benefiting the home ministries and law ministry. He said, is the fact.
You have to deny.
Whether you are going to allow it in on the record,
This will not go-
therefore I
this will
am
not go
denying
on
that.
record.
Therefore,
You know, Thambi
I am
Durai ji.
telling Tamil Nadu
Please.
is a fair place where the election must take place. The ruling party, DMK, must not misuse the power
Thank you.
and
No,
spoil the game. That is, they know
Please.
they are going to lose the election. That is why they are creating this
Speak on
problem.
the subject.
Therefore,
Honorable H.D. Devagola. No. Sri Eram Venkat Subba Reddy.
Yes.
Mr. Reddy, he has a point of order. Honorable Trichy Shivaji. Rule.
I don't deny he has got the right to speak anything, sir. He was reading out a newspaper and it was about a former member of parliament.
Rule.
He is not a member of this house.
Rule.
And
We'll
he
see.
cannot come and give
We'll
an
see.
explanation.
I have
So
already
anything
told-
mentioned about that,
I have
kindly
already reminded him. Please, we'll take it.
go through that
Please,
and explain,
please
sir.
take it. Yes. Honorable Sri Eram Venkat Subba.